Welcome inside. Get ready to witness the satisfying efficiency of a high-volume bread factory production line. This is where science meets baking. We'll follow the journey of simple ingredients transformed into thousands of perfect loaves every day. Our journey begins with the careful preparation of the dough, ensuring every batch meets the highest standards. Giant industrial mixers swiftly combine flour, water, yeast, and other key ingredients into large, uniform batches of dough. The dough is intensely kneaded to develop the perfect gluten structure, creating that smooth, elastic texture essential for great bread. After mixing, the dough enters its first fermentation or proving stage, allowing the yeast to work its magic and develop flavor. Next up, the dough needs to be perfectly divided and shaped before it can become the recognizable loaves we love. Automatic dividers precisely cut the large dough mass into identical portions, ensuring consistent size and weight for every loaf. The individual portions are then molded by machine into classic loaf shapes and placed into baking pans, ready for their final rise. We're moving into the crucial stages that define the bread's texture and crust, the final prove and the bake. The shaped dough rests in climate-controlled rooms for its final fermentation, where it expands to its perfect volume. Look at the precision. Rows of unbaked loaves glide smoothly into the mouth of the massive conveyor belt oven. Inside the intense heat, the loaves transform, emerging minutes later with a perfect golden brown crust and a beautiful aroma. Fresh from the oven, the bread needs to cool quickly and efficiently before it can be sliced and packaged. The warm loaves travel along elaborate cooling systems, rapidly bringing them to the ideal temperature for the next step. High-speed machines slice the cooled bread with incredible precision, ensuring consistent thickness in every slice. The final stage is all about preserving that freshness and getting the bread ready for the consumer. Seamless automation takes over as the sliced loaves are instantly bagged and sealed, locking in the freshness. The packaged bread is swiftly palletized and prepped for distribution, heading out the door and onto store shelves. From raw ingredients to perfect loaves, this high-volume process is a testament to the satisfying efficiency of modern industrial baking.